German Insurtech Xempus is at the forefront of the digitization of pension and life insurance, an important growth market internationally. They are on a mission to make buying and managing pension and life insurance simple and accessible to everyone with the help of technology. Through their software as a service platform, they connect insurers, agents, employers and employees. Xempus enables insurers specifically to generate new business, reduce cost and increase customer loyalty. We are putting this fast-growing Insurtech in the spotlight given the latest developments regarding their platform, among which their new product, the Xempus Manager. This solution enables SMEs to offer pension and life insurance to their employees in a fully digital manner, thus taking away traditional barriers to do so. Next, Malte Dummel, COO and CFO of Xempus, will share further insights about these latest developments.
Hi, my name is Malte Dummel. I'm the COO and CFO of Xempus. Xempus is Europe's leading platform for the distribution of pension and life insurance products. To give you a bit of background on what we do, as you will know, pension and life insurance is one of the largest markets globally, about 2.5 trillion in annual premium, but it's largely non-digitized. And the reason why that is, among other things, is because we're dealing with relatively complex, relatively long-dated products that a lot of people struggle to purchase effectively online. What we've come up with is a rather unique approach whereby we run what we call a three-sided SaaS-enabled marketplace. So we connect about 60,000 SME corporates who need to provide these pension and life insurance policies to their employees, with about 17,000 insurance agents who advise on these policies with all the major life insurance carriers in Germany. And by connecting each of these stakeholders through our software as a service platform, we help people get the right protection policies and the right savings policies when they need it and how they need it. What I'm going to do today is show you how our platform operates, how it connects each of these individual stakeholders and generates substantial value for each. So I'm going to show you how a typical SME corporate will have a much easier life signing up to these policies, explaining why they're a really valuable benefit to their employees, and just have a very hassle-free, delightful process. I will show you how insurance agents in particular use the platform and the very effective workflow tools we provide to sell more often, and in particular to sell significantly higher value policies. On average, the policy values that are being sold through our platform are twice as high as the market average, which when you think about it makes a huge difference, A, to the people who get them at the end of the day, because that makes for a much higher income in retirement or much better protection levels if they need it, and at the end of the day to the insurance agents who get much higher commission rates. And at the end of the day, the life insurance carriers we connect to via APIs, so either for the new policy sale process or the management of existing back books. And again, the life insurance carriers come onto the platform, A, because they get access to a very significant deal flow volume. So we're talking about 5 billion euros plus in annual policy value. That's the equivalent of around 200 million euros worth of commissions. And these carriers get to communicate with their clients much more effectively and cheaply because it's done digitally. And as a result, we tend to find a significantly higher customer satisfaction. Just to give you one number, the NPS that we have on the platform for our insurance agents is 73. So very significant in this context, a very delightful product, and I'm going to show you in a second how it operates. Now let's take a look at the Xempus platform, and in particular let's look at how it connects the employers to their employees, to the insurance agents, brokers, and the life insurance carriers, so the connection between the four key actors in our setup. In particular, I want to show you how they play together seamlessly. So let's start with the insurance agent who configures a new set of policies, a little framework agreement for a particular corporate or an individual employee, so that corporate can now join the platform. Very easily can do all of that online in a SaaS setup. And of course, because this is life insurance, we make sure that we follow all the required regulation around KYC, etc. So here we now look at a corporate, little SME corporate who has gotten the framework agreement set up by his insurance agent and is now inviting his own employees so they can join the platform and do their own work via the platform. Now the employee gets a little invitation email or letter, signs up to the platform again, fully data protection and data security compliant, and now this employee can check out his individual, in this case it's a savings product, his individual income in retirement and what he might do by saving more through his corporate. So in this case we're looking at a corporate pension plan, and very easily the employee can see the difference that additional savings might make. If the employee gets stuck and needs more help, the insurance agent joins the process very seamlessly and goes through an advisory session where they do much more of a deep dive and explains in particular how tax benefits and all these good things help boost the savings rate and the income in retirement in this particular case. So here the employee is happy, and now he's actually able to sign up directly to a new pension and life insurance policy, and everything integrates seamlessly via API to an insurance carrier. Because this here is a corporate setup, in this case the application from the employee goes back to his boss, to the employer, who now gets to double check everything has been put in properly and can sign off on this policy application. Again, it gets transmitted seamlessly to the insurance carrier, and in this case the employee again gets to see this in his personal account and confirm that it all worked out. Now, after the policy has been written, then over a lifetime of typically 30, 40, 50 years, sometimes things change. So in this case, one of the employees changed their name, maybe following a marriage, and all these changes can be done online through the platform as an SME corporate. It works a bit like online banking for all your pension and life insurance needs. This, at a snapshot, is how the platform works and connects each of the four stakeholders in this context, so the carrier, the SME corporate and his employees, and the insurance agent. I hope this gives you a good impression, if only at a high level, what the Xempus platform can do for SME corporates, for insurance agents and for life insurance carriers. In particular, if we connect each of these groups through the platform, we generate very significant network effects where each group benefits from the presence of the others, and the numbers and the results do speak for themselves. More than 5 billion euros worth of new policies sold each year, more than 60,000 SME corporates, more than 17,000 insurance agents, and all the major life insurance carriers in Germany are on the platform, with a net promoter score of this platform of north of 70. We think we've built a delightful product that can add significant business value to each of these stakeholder groups and can help us provide the right kind of pension and life insurance products to the people who need them. Because that is one of the things that makes a fundamental difference to the lives of millions of people every year if we do our job right, which is help them get what they need when they need it in the space of pension and life insurance. And Xempus, together with hopefully many more of you in the future, would like to play a critical part in this process. Thank you very much.